WooCommerce Best Practices 2024, a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform built on WordPress, allowing users to create and manage online stores with ease. As we approach 2024, it's essential to stay updated on the latest WooCommerce best practices to ensure your online store is efficient, user-friendly, and secure. In this guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to set up and optimize your WooCommerce store effectively, even if you're a beginner. Choose the right hosting plan. Selecting a reliable hosting provider is crucial for your WooCommerce store's performance. Look for a host that offers fast loading speeds, excellent uptime, and scalability to accommodate your store's growth. Consider managed WordPress hosting, as it provides optimized environments specifically for WordPress and WooCommerce. Install WordPress and WooCommerce. Begin by installing WordPress on your hosting account. Once you have WordPress set up, you can install WooCommerce by searching for it in the plugin directory and following the installation process. Ensure you update both WordPress and WooCommerce regularly to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Select a theme and customize it. Choose a responsive and visually appealing WooCommerce theme that aligns with your brand and store's requirements. Customize your theme by adding your logo, changing colors, and adjusting layouts to create a unique and professional look. Remember to optimize your theme for mobile devices to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Configure WooCommerce settings. Navigate to WooCommerce settings to configure various options like general settings, products, shipping, taxes, and payments. Ensure you set up the correct currency, tax rules, and shipping options for your target audience. Additionally, choose a secure payment gateway that suits your needs and is compatible with WooCommerce. Add and organize products. Create and manage your products by adding descriptions, images, and variations. Organize your products using categories and tags for easy navigation. Optimize your product pages with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. Set up shipping and taxes. Configure your shipping options, including local delivery, flat rates, or real-time shipping rates from carriers. Accurately calculate taxes by setting up tax classes, rates, and rules based on your location and target audience. Enhance user experience. Improve your store's user experience by implementing features such as product reviews, related products, and upsells. Additionally, optimize your site's speed and performance by compressing images, minifying CSS and JavaScript, and using a content delivery network, CDN. Ensure site security. Implement security measures like SSL certificates, two-factor authentication, and regular backups to protect your store and customer data. Keep your plugins and themes updated to avoid security vulnerabilities. Implement marketing strategies. Promote your store by utilizing social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) techniques. Create engaging content, optimize your site for search engines, and leverage analytics tools to track your store's performance. Provide exceptional customer support. Offer excellent customer support by providing clear contact information, responding promptly to inquiries, and implementing a reliable return and refund policy. Consider integrating live chat or a ticketing system to enhance your customer service experience. Conclusion: by following these best practices for WooCommerce in 2024, you can create a successful and secure online store that caters to your customers' needs. Remember to continually update and optimize your store to stay ahead in the ever-evolving commerce landscape. Happy selling!